one chida, onye kere, one chida, ojele bedaiba, ula wada nata, onye kere, international footballer, onwele, nekwano onye one chida, onye kere, one chida, ojele bedaiba, ula wada nata, the richest bar, onye kere, international footballer, onwele.
System.
Akwa di manu wa go bodo na cha mani muzanke di jono wo bodo febenisi samadi na mwadi bodo di nature ya international footballer samangwa award winner samadi na one chida ide enter their eyes yo hey samangwa busy fresh Anakwa from Abula ni nona na site yo. Ide enter their eyes yo. Chida netibe someone them balo fresh yo. Anakwa from Abula ni nona na site yo. Ide enter their eyes yo.
Excuse me, sorry, good morning. Hi. My name is Francisca. My name is Charity.
My name is...
No, you don't have to tell us. We already know you already now. You know you.
Really?
Of course. Are you not to know who's son, the proud footballer?
But I'm not proud.
You know your father, I don't know. He brags so much about him.
Actually, you're not far from the truth, but I have no hand in that.
Yes. And please, I'm sorry, can you help us, to train?
Yes, please.
We just want to be a footballer like you.
We want to learn more skills from you, please.
Yeah, please.
So you guys want to become female footballers?
Yes. That's why we are out. We are out for this.
Yeah.
We are ready. We are already out for this. Okay.
1, 2. 1, 2.
Banani will onye one chida, onye kere, one chida, ojele bedaiba, ula wada nata, onye kere, international footballer, onwele, nekwano onye one chida, onye kere, one chida, ojele bedaiba, ula wada nata, the richest bar, onye kere, international footballer, onwele.
What?
Me what? What? Why are you staring?
Can't you see he's a perfect definition of every woman's dream? Can't you see? But honestly, this one is something.
I know. Come. Here you go. No, Francis!
One chida, onye kere, one chida, ojele bedaiba, ula wada nata, onye kere, international footballer, onwele, nekwano onye one chida, onye kere, one chida, ojele bedaiba, ula wada nata.
Your friend was here to see you.
Who is my friend?
Princess Nena was here to see you.
I don't understand.
How?
You told me that I should have nothing to do with those girls. Why then are you calling them my friends?
I never said that. I only asked you to stay away from Princess Sadeze. She's betrothed to the Prince of Amadi. Eh? It is only Princess Nena that you should be going after, not someone's would-be wife.
Father, let me tell you, I am not interested in any of them. Yes.
You have to start thinking something. Seize the moment.
What moment, Papa?
Isn't it obvious that Princess Nena likes you? Each time she comes here to look for you, but you have not granted her audience.
I don't think I owe her anything.
It is not all about what you owe her. It is about what is going to benefit the whole family.
I don't understand.
Do you know what it means to be married to a princess?
Papa, I am not interested in any of them. Simple. I don't even know why you're pressurizing me to get married to Igwe's daughter. What are you expecting from the Igwe that I can't offer? What? Is it money?
Who told you it's all about money?
Then what is it all about? Why are you forcing someone on me? Papa, I am not interested in any of them. Simple.
Listen up. It is not me that will bring shame upon. It is not me that will bring shame upon someone. You better start thinking something. You better start thinking something. What is wrong with this boy? Has Europe changed his senses? Eh? When I am putting him the right way, he's going out of the radar. When I become the king, then he will proudly be addressing himself as a prince. So,
Banani will onye one chida, onye kere, one chida, ojele badaiba, ulawa de nata, onye kere, international footballer, onwele, nekwan onye one chida, onye kere, one chida, ojele badaiba. The richest boy, onye kere, international footballer, onwele. Akwamma di manu wa go bodo na cha, mani musanke di njano wo bodo febe nisi. Samadi na mwadi bodo di nature ya, international footballer, samangman. Award winner, somebody na one chida. Ide enter their eyes yo. Hey, someone this is fresh. I'm not going for more.
Hi, Samadina.
What are you doing here?
That is no way to speak to a lady.
I choose how I talk. And besides, you were not invited here.
I wasn't invited.
Listen, let me make this crystal clear. It will never work between us. With my lips, it can't work. So stop stressing yourself. Know this and know peace.
Banani will onye one chida, onye kere, one chida, ojele badaiba. Onye kere, international footballer,
what was that?
He walked out on me.
He did?
Akwamma di manu wa go bodo na cha, mani musanke di njano wo bodo febe nisi. Samadi na mwadi bodo di nature ya, international footballer, samangman. Award winner, somebody na one chida. Ide enter their eyes yo. Hey, someone this is fresh. I'm not going for more and on a site yo. Ide enter their eyes yo. Chida netibe, someone them balo fresh yo. I'm not going for more and on a site yo. Ide enter their eyes yo.
How are you, Chido? How are you?
What happened?
Oh, I'm actually on my way to the training ground to see your brother. Is he there?
Can't you leave my brother alone?
What?
Leave my brother alone. That work goes okay.
Oh, he's my friend. Chido? This boy is annoying.
I really don't care what has come over you. I don't care whether you're tired of the prince or if the prince is tired of you. That's not the point here. The point here is that you're not going to bring shame to this family. Alright? You are going to marry the prince because that is the reason your father sent you abroad to study.
Mom, so father sent me abroad to study just to marry the prince.
In case you do not know, the prince studied in one of the best universities in the United Kingdom. And for you to match up to him socially and otherwise, your father had to send you abroad to study.
Mom, please, I'm not interested in all this matchmaking and all. It's not my thing, I'm not.
It's not about matchmaking. It's your destiny. You'll have to marry the prince. Besides, it will make your father happy. And also, the whole universe will be happy about it.
It's so amazing that all that matters to you all is my imposed silence and discomfort over this matchmaking whatever.
Listen, you better start getting used to the idea. Alright? Because you are going to ensure that the union takes place. Besides, why are you suddenly complaining? Why didn't you complain all this while?
Mom, I don't love him. I don't feel anything for him. It will work.
Oh, well, I don't know about you changing your mind. I mean, why did you change your mind?
Mother, that is because scales suddenly fell off her eyes and she realized that she's crazily in love with the man that I love.
I do not need your opinion on this one.
Nena, please leave my room. I said leave my room.
You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself falling in love with a man that doesn't even see you. He doesn't see you.
Oh, I see. A whore. That is what he called you. You should be ashamed of yourself. You don't carry yourself as a princess. You don't even believe you're a princess. You should act like one and stop behaving like this. You cheap sluts. That is what he called you. Take me home.
Charity. Mama. What is even wrong with you? Come on to peel orange is difficult for you.
No mind her, Ajibo.
You are still on this one. Sisimo have peeled 2.
Mama, you know I'm not used to this. I'm just helping.
Really? You are not used to this?
Do you want me to cut my hair?
Who am I seeing his car? Is that not Onowu's son's car?
Hey, Mama. Huh? He's the one, oh, your future son-in-law.
Future son-in-law?
Yes, Mama.
When did you start dating him?
Mama, it's not me, oh. It's Francisca.
Sisimo.
Charity. Mama, don't mind her. She's talking nonsense. What are you talking about?
You don't know what she's talking about, and you are the one that invited him. No, this is the clear evidence. Look at him.
Mama, what are you talking about? I don't. What is he even doing here?
What is he even doing here? English. Huh? Hey! Anyway. Hi! She did well.
Yeah, no, I never
This is good. Eh? Anyway, you did well by inviting him.
Mama, I never invited anybody.
I invited myself.
Cute.
Eh?
I invited myself. Nobody invited me.
Serious?
Yes.
Hey, Mama. Welcome.
Mama,
Hey, come here. Why are you going inside? What are you going to do inside? Would you welcome him? Greet him. Welcome. Hey, I say kele. You are sir. Now, let us go inside, eh? Let us go inside.
You're welcome.
The great footballer of our time.
Nanyi onye egwu nwanne chida onye kere nwanne chida ojele obodo oyibo ụlọ awọdụ nata onye egwu onye kere.
Thank you very, very much. Thanks for the meal. I enjoyed it.
It's okay. Your mother was the one that taught me how to cook that particular soup.
For real?
Hi, this particular soup. She was the one. She used to be my very good friend. You can ask your father.
I can ask my father.
I remember, you children of these days, you don't ask questions anymore. She was my friend.
Okay, that's nice.
Sisimo! Sisimo! Go inside. Did I call your name? Sisimo, come, eh? Won't you see him off?
Why do you behave as if my presence irritates you?
Of course, it irritates me.
Nah, please, don't listen to her. You can come here as often as you want. This is your house.
Did I wrong you in any way?
Yes, showing here unexpectedly, I don't want it. I don't like it at all.
But I want you and I like you.
And I'm not interested.
Shut up! Shut up and listen to him. Huh?
That's fine. Thanks.
Bye.
All right.
Looking forward to seeing you again. Just follow up our time. You know?
Mama.
My regards to your father.
Stop.
Why can't you wave?
It's fine.
Wave at him.
Mama, it's okay.
Aye.
Mama, let's go.
What is your problem?
Nothing.
Why is it that you don't like good things?
Mama, I am not interested. If we should just leave me alone, what is it? I'm not.
You are not interested. When will you be interested? We all know that this is the right man for you.
Yeah, a footballer. Every girl's dream. Mama, he is not my dream, okay? I am not interested. I don't know when you guys just want me to tell you that I am not ready for marriage, not ready for anything. This one, you people should just leave me alone.
Charity, what did she just say? Did she refer to me as the world?
Mama, I wasn't here to know what happened, so I don't know who to side. Iko. Mama.
You don't know who to side?
I wasn't here, I just came out.
Oh, because I asked you to go in.
Ofuman.
So bad.
Father, I have seen the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Really?
Yes. I'm not excited about it.
Because you know that they don't know the importance of taking the right decision.
Father, please don't start. Is it because I did not marry any of the princesses as you suggested? Please stop.
What makes you think that I'm interested in what you were about to tell me now?
So you don't want to hear about who I want to marry? No problem. I'm not telling you anything again.
I'll keep it.
No problem. You don't want to marry me.
What is wrong with Princess Nena? What is wrong with Princess Nena? You want to tell me about the woman you love?
But no, I have traveled far and wide. I have met a lot of people. But no man has ever made my heart beat as Somadina does. I do not know how to make him see it.
Do not worry. You don't need to do anything. I will do everything for you. I will make him see it.
You will do that for me?
Of course. I mean, it is good for the family. But, I don't know. People have a way of wasting love. They will just go about loving the wrong person. Is this why they say love is blind?
How do you mean, no?
My son, he fell in love with someone else.
What?
The wrong person.
Who is this woman?
Calm down. I've told you that I will do everything for you. I will make him see you.
The most annoying part is that I left my beautiful Janet just because of this same stupid Adeze. Huh?
See, Afam, listen. Listen. This is not the time for you to start crying blue mother. It is the right time for you to move on with your life. Come on, man. You are a prince, for crying out loud. There are hundreds of maidens out there who would want to have you to themselves.
Listen, Ozo, please. I am not cut out for this right now. I mean, this is not what I want to hear. Okay? I mean, how do you want me to start explaining this to my entire household? Huh? How will my father, the king, explain this to our community? That the girl I'm supposed to be getting married to is no more there? What are you saying?
See, Afam, you're not getting it. You are not...
No, you are the one not getting it.
Okay, let me make the point clear to you now. Say, fine. Supposing you got married to this girl and she ends up exhibiting this unwholesome behavior and it got this worse that you end up contemplating a divorce.
I swear.
Is that what you want?
I swear to God, I will kill her with my bare hands.
So, you now get the point. No, you now get the point. So, now, God is trying to save you from being tagged and labeled a royal murderer. That is what I think here. I don't know if you're thinking the same thing.
I mean, what I am still trying to get here is, what could be the cause of all this? Why the sudden change? We were good and fine all the time she was abroad. But since she came back, this whole thing changed.
Afam, without any sentiments and without no doubt, my instinct never lies to me. It is obvious that Princess Adeze is seeing someone else.
Your Majesty, please. Please calm down.
You better talk sense into your daughter. Talk sense into her.
But Dad, what exactly is my fault? Father, is it my fault I no longer feel anything for Prince Afam? No. I spoke to him. I told him everything and he understood.
My daughter, do you know the shame, the humiliation you are about to bring to the entire royal household by trying to ruin your marriage with Prince Afam, the son of Ojadike? My daughter, listen. Think twice.
Father, why do I have to deal with Afam's entire generation just by getting married to him? No, a lot seems to be at stake in this marriage, and I don't know why. The whole thing is making me feel overweight, Mom.
Adeze, you listen to your father, okay? You should have thought about all these things you're talking about before agreeing to marry him. Now it's too late.
Mommy, nothing is too late. Nothing is too late. It's better I back down now than to do that when I've already walked into that relationship, Dad. That will bring bad name to this family and bad reputation. Besides that, you remember, you taught me that I should never start anything in uncertainty. That you remember.
My pen, my jewel, my princess. I understand. Yes, I do. But this one is different. It's not the same.
Nothing is different. Father, what is different here? Nothing. Yes, Behind all this tapestry, behind all this royal accolades, friendship and all, behind all this is an unhappy princess. I dare say I am unhappy, Dad. So you want me to live my whole life to be with someone who I don't even love? Is that what you want, Dad? No problem. I don't mind being the sacrificial lamb. But for how long? For how long do I have to live with pretense and perpetual sadness? For how long, Dad? Don't you love me anymore?
Crocodile tears, crocodile tears, crocodile tears is all I see. And I know that my father, your highness, the king, is so wise and will not be deceived by mere crocodiles.
Will you get out now? Get out of my sight before I lose it! I keep saying it. All legs and no brain.
Your Majesty, that's okay. She's not the cause of your anger. So just back off a bit.
Like I told you before, talk sense into your daughter.
I'm sorry, which of them?
International.
Good day.
Charity, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Are you going home?
Yes, please. Thank you.
International footballer. Di mano wa go bodo na cha mani musanke din jono wo bede febenisi samadi na mwadi mbodo di ne choro ya international footballer samama award winner samadi na wanne chida ide enter their eyes yo samuma busy fresh ono kwa from obola ni no na say.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So what do you suggest I do?
Like I said, you need to give her some time, you know. She's going through a lot. You just need to give her time.
No wonder she behaves the way she does. I thought she was seeing another man.
My cousin is a very disciplined and principled person. Sometimes I wish I was like her. Yeah.
Please, I want you to talk to her on my behalf.
My mom is in the right position to do that for you. Because she has an unbreakable respect for my mother. I think she will do that for you. You have to talk to her.
You mean she's not seeing another man?
Why is it so hard for you to believe me? She's not. If she were, I would have told you. She's not. Anyways, thanks for the ride. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
All right, bye.
What do you advise I do?
I advise you give him a listening ear. I think I see him as a nice guy. He's a nice guy.
Are you sure?
Come, I have a lot to gist you. Yeah, I have a lot for you.
Dad, look. I know you have always wanted me to get married to someone from the royal household. Fine. But I am not interested in any of those girls. Why are you finding it difficult to understand?
Samadina, you still haven't told me why and what is she in that girl that you do not like.
It is crystal clear, Father. I don't like her. I don't have feelings for her. She does not turn me on. I know she's from a royal household. She's homely, she's lively, she's well raised, blah 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 blah. Fine and good. I know what I want in a woman. So let me choose.
So Madina, you are still thinking on your own direction. Princess Nena is the right woman for you.
Who told you so? Ogine, are you saying this because of your selfish interest? Papa, I have told you I have someone I want to marry, and nothing can change that. Simple.
International footballer, international footballer, the man who go Bodonaja, Mani Musanka Dinjano, but a Febenisi, Samadi Namadi, but the nature, international footballer, someone, award winner, somebody na one nechida, either enter their ICO, someone is fresh. On the wall from Mobile and in on our site, either enter their ICO, she done it, someone.
God, yes, my son.
Good afternoon.
Where are both of you coming from with a smile on your faces and my footballer?
Well, my husband today here took me out and I had loads of fun.
I should have thought of that. That is good. In fact, that is how it's supposed to be. You see what I was telling you? I have always known that Princess Nena is the right woman for you.
All thanks to you for making me discover the hidden treasure in her.
You can say that. Thank you, Father. Bring in. A lot is inside the house. A lot. My footballer of the year. Yes. All of us. Easy. Are you not tired of playing football over there? I thought you want to. Hey, bring the ball. Bring the ball. Go inside. You should be tired by now. Go inside. Yes.
Unbelievable. I just couldn't imagine what I saw.
Father, what about the contract we talked about? You haven't said anything about it.
It's always...
What do you want me to say, son?
Who do we have here? The two lovebirds.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
Wow. Both of you look so good.
Sit down.
This is amazing. Exactly.
The football boy.
Excuse me. Let's sit.
All right.
Yeah, please sit. Make yourself comfortable. You care for anything?
Yeah, did you fine?
Huh?
Don't pray on.
Don't pray on. Wow.
Oh, I guess that's what you...
Nena, so you feel you've succeeded in snatching him away from me, right? You lie.
Sister, what is this whole blabbing about? Somadina. I keep telling you that Somadina is mine. It's just a matter of time. You see, now he's back to me exactly where he belongs.
Oh, I know you cast a spell on him, all because of your desperation. But now listen to me.
Very soon, the spell you casted on him will fade away just before your own eyes. And then we will know what this sudden love is.
Then you don't. Could you just go away? I'll keep enjoying my man. Because what you are is a killjoy.
So I'm a killjoy. You are the one that is a killjoy. Because you are the one that is very, very desperate. You don't use your senses. You're very, very desperate. And that is why you will go about being diabolic. Stupid girl. You slapped me.
Enough integrity. Also got the love of talking, put your baby, you are betrothed to a crown prince. Stop all this nonsense. This Afala festival is not only for the nobles, but for both peasants and having to go. International footballer.
I see. Just nothing now, you're tired. I'm stronger than you now.
Yeah? You know his age. When you get to his age, you know what TJ. But I don't mind him.
I am stronger than you. You're tired.
Chidan.
I'm not tired.
Oh, you think because I said I'm tired and you're stronger than I am? So Martina, let's go.
No, Papa, bam. Papa, go and rest. Ejiri will make exercise.
I want to show Chidon that I'm stronger. I am strong. In fact, I am strong.
Don't mind Chidon. He's just a small boy. Ejiri will make exercise. With Daleba. Go and rest.
Leave him to play now.
Pass the ball. Just pass it.
Play that.
Chidon, what is it now? Allow me to greet my friend now.
Chidon, what is it?
I don't know what I've done to Chidon, no.
Chidon, you can go. You can go. It's okay.
Go.
You are doing exercise.
You're a very wicked boy.
Oh, I admit
You're
that.
very, very wicked.
Go away. Shut up.
Chidon, you have to respect. You respect your elder.
Who's your elder? This one.
Papa, no, go and rest. Ejiri will make exercise. Papa, go
I
and
want
rest.
to show Chidon that
Papa, go and rest.
I started this football.
Papa, good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine. Somadina, good afternoon.
How are you?
Fine. Chidon, how are you?
Hello, man. Simon is coming. Yeah.
Please, can I talk to your brother?
Simon's coming.
What kind of attitude is this again? Chidon!
So stressful.
What's stressing you?
I want to go to the mechanic and fix my car AC.
Again?
I'm telling you, this is the third time I am going to the mechanic to fix that AC. I am tired.
Lazy. Don't you think the car needs to be changed?
I should change?
Yes.
I should replace?
Yes, replace the car.
Who is talking about replacements in this dispensation of era? My dear, I have better things to do with money. Okay, I will go and fix it.
You're
Yes.
just being stingy. Eat your money.
Yeah. Adeze.
Yeah?
That reminds me.
Okay.
There is this thing I've been meaning to tell you.
And what could that be?
I had a terrible nightmare a few nights ago.
Terrible?
Yeah, about you and Nina.
What could that be?
I can't really place the meaning of that dream I saw, but you have to be very careful. Okay, please. No account should you fight your sister because of a man. Huh?
That will never happen. Trust me. Because I, Princess Adeze, I will not be alive and watch my sister Nena and I fight over a man. That will never happen. So don't worry, baby.
Are you sure?
No, it will never happen.
Is that a promise?
It's a promise.
Alright. Alright, let me run along, eh?
Okay.
I will see you when I come back.
Alright, take care of
Please take
yourself,
care.
okay? Just be careful.
Ricky, open the gate.
Be careful.
Alright.
Oh. Oh my god. Where is this girl? I need juice.
Integrity, Opuano Pugo. Asagadi love, Taki Pucheka Yakinabo. Opasoro Poya, Mako Opuano Pugo. Baby, you are betrothed to a crown prince. Stop all this nonsense. Your name say you will. This Ofala festival is not only for the nobles, but for both peasants and having to go. Come on, show everybody is equal.
Someday, yes.
You are Auntie Amaka's daughter, right?
Yes, you're right.
Alright.
She's my mother.
Right. Long time. How have you been?
I'm fine, thank you. Wait, you're not with your guards?
Oh no, I don't need them all around. I am okay like this.
Prince Meze, you and your simple lifestyle.
You can say that again. You can say that. So you mean you've been around all this while?
Not really. It's about a few weeks ago now. I came to see my mother and to witness this year Ofala festival.
Ofala festival. Everybody in this village has placed a huge value on that Ofala festival. If you see the way everybody is talking about this festival, my dear, it amazes me.
So what's there not to talk about the Ofala festival? It's the king's pride, and besides, it's a transgenerational heritage.
You can say that.
So you see why it's nice to witness it.
The weather is not favorable. Why not you come and let me take you to
Okay. Thank you. Yay!
You know why I'm worried?
Oh no, my princess. You don't need to be worried about anything, eh?
Of course. I have every reason to be worried. Your son hates me. I have done everything, but he doesn't see me. He doesn't like me.
But it's okay. I know how much you love my son. But that's not enough to be worried. Do not worry. I will go to the house and talk to him about it.
No. If you're able to convince your son, I'll be very happy. He means the world to me.
It's okay. I understand that you love my son.
No, you don't understand. Oh no, I would do anything. I would sacrifice anything just to be with him.
Oh, it's okay. I will make Somadina to be your husband, whether he likes it or not. I will talk to Somadina and he will agree in seeing reasons why he should be your husband. Trust me, I will do that for you. Just quietly drive back to the palace and don't think about anything. Okay? Bye-bye. Hey, don't think too much. Are you hearing me? Gently. This is a golden opportunity. Somadina must marry Princess Nena whether he likes it or not. She said that she will sacrifice everything for him. Mba. Somebody make her name.
Wait.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
Why did you turn?
Because I don't want to go again.
But why?
Didn't you hear what Onowu told the princess?
Is that why you turned? But Onowu is not Somadina that promised the princess.
Really? See, Charity, I am not interested. Somadina should go and marry Princess Nena, not me. I'm sorry.
Francisca, Somadina loves you.
Just tell that to Somadina.
Somadina loves you.
I'm sorry.
He loves you. I am telling you now. You need to listen to me.
Oh, stop. Yeah, you know she's my sister. Yeah, I know, of course. I know you don't like her. I know, she's just the one pushing herself to you. But I can't blame her. I just wish you can just give her a chance. She's a good person. No, just give her a little chance. She's not.
You thought you have seen the last of this, right? You think you have won?
Nena, what's your problem? Why will you barge into my room without knocking? You don't have respect.
My friend, listen to me and listen carefully because I will not repeat myself. You see Somadina? I love him. And I will do anything, I will sacrifice anything to be with him. What this means is that if I don't have Somadina, you will never ever have him.
Nena, what's wrong with this girl? Like, what's wrong with her? Why is she being too distant? Oh, sorry. I was actually having a chat with my sister. Yeah, can I call you right back? Alright, thank you. What's her problem?
Your Majesty, why would you want to take sides with her on this one?
My queen, I am not taking any sides with Princess Nena. My daughter's happiness means the world to me, and I'm not ready to trade it with any royalty ties or whatever. I'm not ready.
Really? Then I really don't understand why you're doing it.
I made it clear to them, even when they're growing up, till now that they are full-grown women, that they have my permission to marry any man of their choice, and I'm not going to force any man on them.
Well, you know that if you say that, then they would never ever get married.
I don't understand. How do you mean?
Well, have you not observed that both your daughters are fighting over one man?
I wouldn't know, but all I have to say is my stand to this is straight and simple. They have every right to marry the man of their choice, the man they love. I'm not going to force any man.
Hey, Ibabani the upright man. He never compromise. A man of integrity. Apuano Pugo.
Somadina is a very principled young man.
Auntie, I can see you've been talking to Charity.
Keep me out of your problems.
I am not joking here. Somadina is not the kind of young man that runs around everything unscared.
Auntie, Somadina has a girlfriend.
I have made some underground check on him. And he is clean.
Underground check?
Oh yes. I have made some findings. And I found out that the king's two daughters are the one fighting each other to get him. not the other way around.
What? The king's 2 daughters? Oh, you!
Nena, what is chasing you?
And there's this wickedness. Her wickedness is what is chasing me, Father.
And what does that mean?
Father, can you believe that Afam was involved in a motor accident that almost took his life? And I informed Adeze about it. She did nothing. She was unbothered, unconcerned about it. What such wickedness?
How does that qualify my daughter as a wicked woman? How?
Daddy, ask her again. Ask her. What's your problem, Nina? What's your problem? What have I done to you? Can't you just allow me to have peace? You're becoming a thorn in my flesh.
Well, I am just
Will
getting
you stop it? Will you get out of my sight now before I lose it? All legs and no brain.
Like, seriously, Dad?
What is all this? You people wouldn't let me have my peace. You don't want me to eat this apple or what?
Daddy, it's Nina. She's the problem here.